Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today, we will explore Microsoft's new SpreadsheetLLM and its impact on data management, Andrej Karpathy's AI-native education platform, and the latest advancements in space tourism with startups like Zefalto and Space Perspective. Stay tuned for insights and updates on these fascinating topics. Microsoft has unveiled SpreadsheetLLM, a new large language model designed to enhance spreadsheet data management and analysis. This model is optimized for tasks across spreadsheet applications and aims to make user interactions more intelligent and efficient. A preprint paper detailing the model has sparked discussions on social media, with users predicting significant impacts on finance and SaaS industries. SpreadsheetLLM addresses challenges in handling spreadsheets by introducing Sheet Compressor, an encoding framework that reduces token usage by 96%. The model comprises structural anchor-based compression, inverse index translation, and data format-aware aggregation. This innovation enhances performance in spreadsheet table detection by 25.6% in GPT-4 Prime's in-context learning. The chain of spreadsheet framework further decomposes reasoning into a table detection match reasoning pipeline, showcasing its potential to transform spreadsheet-related tasks. During an interview on Sequoia Capital's Training Data podcast, Microsoft CTO Kevin Scott emphasized that LLM scaling laws will continue driving AI progress. He played a crucial role in a $13 billion technology sharing deal between Microsoft and OpenAI. Scott argued against the belief that AI progress has plateaued, stating that significant improvements come with increasing model size, training data, and computational power, although this takes years. Despite skepticism from critics like Gary Marcus and Ed Zitron, Scott remains optimistic about future iterations of LLMs, predicting they will overcome current limitations and become more efficient and robust. This stance aligns with Microsoft's heavy investment in AI development and its promotion of AI features like Microsoft Copilot. Proof News revealed that major AI companies like Anthropic, NVIDIA, Apple, and Salesforce used subtitles from 173,536 YouTube videos for AI training, despite YouTube's rules against unauthorized data harvesting. The dataset, YouTube subtitles, sourced from educational channels like Khan Academy and media outlets like NPR, included content from popular YouTubers such as MrBeast and PewDiePie. Creators expressed outrage over the unauthorized use, calling it theft and demanding compensation. The dataset is part of a larger compilation called The Pile, which also includes materials from the European Parliament, Wikipedia, and Enron emails. Although companies argue the data was publicly available, creators and legal experts stress the need for consent and regulation. Anthropic launched its Claude Android app to broaden the reach of its AI chatbot. The app mirrors the iOS version, offering free access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet and upgraded plans via Pro and Team subscriptions. Features include syncing conversations across devices, real-time image analysis, and language translation. Enterprise customers can also access their Claude accounts on mobile. Despite claims of technical parity with OpenAI and Google, Anthropic has struggled to attract users, with the Claude iOS app seeing only 157,000 downloads in its first week, compared to ChatGPT's 480,000 installs in 5 days. Whistleblowers allege OpenAI imposed illegal restrictions on employee communication with government regulators. A letter sent to SEC Chair Gary Gensler accuses OpenAI of using severance, non-disparagement, and non-disclosure agreements to prevent employees from reporting securities violations and from receiving whistleblower incentives. The SEC has evidence suggesting these NDAs violated the law by demanding employees sign restrictive contracts for employment or severance. OpenAI's spokesperson claimed their whistleblower policy protects employees' rights. Senator Chuck Grassley emphasized that Congress must monitor AI threats and that OpenAI's policies deter whistleblowers. Earlier this year, OpenAI faced criticism for exit agreements that could strip employees of vested equity if they violated NDAs. CEO Sam Altman apologized, stating the company was revising its exit paperwork. The dominance of transformers in AI is facing challenges due to their inefficiency in processing large data on standard hardware, leading to unsustainable power demands. Researchers from Stanford, UC San Diego, UC Berkeley, and Meta propose a new architecture, Test Time Training, TTT. Unlike transformers that rely on a grown hidden state, TTT models use internal machine learning models that encode data into fixed-size weights, making them highly efficient. TTT models could process vast amounts of data without increasing computational demands. Despite promising results, TTT models aren't yet a direct replacement for transformers. Meanwhile, alternatives like state space models, SSMs, are also being explored by companies like AI21 Labs and Cartesia. These innovations could significantly enhance the efficiency and accessibility of generative AI. Next on our agenda, we explore the ethical implications. Advances in AI blur the line between human and machine capabilities. If artificial general intelligence, AGI, surpasses human intelligence, it will challenge our understanding of consciousness and necessitate moral and legal considerations for AI. AGI without consciousness could lead to a superior, sociopathic entity. Consciousness in machines requires brain-like hardware, yet von Neumann computers, which separate memory and processing, face limitations known as the von Neumann bottleneck. Neuromorphic computers, mimicking brain architecture, could theoretically achieve consciousness. Neuromorphic chips integrate memory and processing using components like memristors to enhance efficiency. If these chips match the complexity of the human brain, they might feel emotions. The core question remains, can we ever truly know if machines experience consciousness or merely simulate it? And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Andrej Karpathy, former AI head at Tesla and researcher at OpenAI, has launched Eureka Labs, an AI-native education platform. Based in San Francisco and registered as an LLC in Delaware, Eureka Labs aims to leverage generative AI to create AI teaching assistants that will guide students through course materials. These AI assistants will support human teachers with the goal of enabling anyone to learn anything. Eureka Lab's first product is an undergraduate-level AI course, LLM 101N, which will help students train their own AI. Course materials will be available online with both digital and physical cohorts. The course promises to teach students how to build a functioning web app similar to ChatGPT from scratch. Karpathy's experience spans teaching deep learning at Stanford, co-founding OpenAI, and leading Tesla's AI team for Autopilot. Despite the ambition, Eureka Labs has yet to test the efficacy of its AI assistants in the classroom. It remains unclear if the startup is self-funded or has investor backing. Tricentis, a leading test automation platform that leverages AI to help developers identify bugs, has acquired SeaLights, a startup enhancing automated testing efficiency by focusing on changed code. SeaLights CEO Eran Sher, now EVP and GM of Quality Intelligence at Tricentis, emphasized the transformative potential of their combined expertise to elevate software quality standards. SeaLights' platform continuously monitors code changes, maps tests to these changes, and uses machine learning to assess the risk, ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Tricentis aims to integrate these capabilities to offer AI-enabled quality intelligence, including test impact analysis and quality risk management. This acquisition enhances Tricentis' already robust quality intelligence solutions, especially for SAP environments, and marks the company's seventh acquisition, following Waldo in July. 3 innovative startups, Zafalto from France, Space Perspective from Florida, and Worldview from Arizona, are developing a novel approach to space tourism by using pressurized capsules attached to massive gas-filled balloons to hoist tourists into the stratosphere. These capsules are designed to carry 8 passengers and 2 crew members, featuring amenities like a center bar and a bathroom. Unlike traditional space flights, these 6-hour balloon rides will elevate passengers to heights of 15 to 19 miles, far below the 50-mile mark usually considered the edge of space by the U.S. government. Jane Pointer of Space Perspective argues that their flights qualify as space travel since they exceed 98,000 feet, positioning passengers above 99% of Earth's atmosphere. These balloon rides offer a more airplane-like experience without weightlessness, making them accessible to anyone who can board a standard plane. Interest in this unique form of space tourism is high. Worldview has sold 1,250 tickets at $50,000 each. Space Perspective has sold 1,800 tickets at $125,000 each. And although Zafalto did not disclose specific numbers, its initial flights are fully booked with ticket prices around $184,000. California-based startup Bigfoot aims to revolutionize local experience discovery with its Weekend Planner website and newly launched AI chatbot, Littlefoot. Co-founded by Alex Ward and a team of ex-Airbnb staffers, Bigfoot uses generative AI to provide personalized recommendations for local activities, mimicking the feel of chatting with a knowledgeable friend. Users can interact with an extensive database of over 120,000 events, restaurants, nightlife spots, sports, and outdoor activities across 160 cities. Bigfoot's value lies in its ability to offer more contextually relevant and unique local recommendations compared to general-purpose AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT. By leveraging over 50 curated data sources, including Google Maps and specialized blogs, Littlefoot generates more interesting suggestions, such as hidden hiking spots or alternative cultural tours, rather than obvious tourist attractions. The startup differentiates itself through its curated supply and visually rich interface, incorporating imagery and videos from platforms like TikTok. However, the system is still a work in progress, with plans to enhance user experience and personalization by integrating APIs from services like Google Maps and Spotify. For now, let's focus on Didero's innovative approach. Didero is addressing a significant challenge in supply chain management for mid-market companies that can't afford high-end solutions like SAP or lack the IT resources to manage complex systems. The startup has developed an AI-powered tool designed to streamline supply chain processes. The tool offers an end-to-end suite for procurement teams, covering everything from finding suppliers, negotiating contracts, managing purchase orders, producing invoices, and making payments. It also provides detailed analytics and handles background supplier management tasks. The use of AI is crucial, enabling mid-market companies to automate tasks that were previously too resource-intensive. Didero leverages various AI models, including those from OpenAI and Google Gemini, fine-tuning them for specific tasks like extracting data from procurement documents. Co-founders Tim Spencer and Lorenz Palhuber bring extensive supply chain expertise, while CEO Tom Petit contributes his AI and machine learning knowledge. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the EnlightMe app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.